In the past years, many have started to come up with different festivals to celebrate in Lipa City, which includes Walistic Festival in 2000s, Lomi Festival in 2010, Makalanyog Festival in 2014, and Barako Festival in 2017.
But it lacks consistency because over these various festivals, nothing has been continued as to making it official and celebrated annually. Lipa City festivals include the Coffee Festival, the Lomi Festival, and a celebration honoring Saint Patron San Sebastian.
The study will try to determine the challenges by the city of Lipa as a forging a distinctive festival for itself. By understanding the value of branding, the local administration will greatly benefit from this study and be able to use it as a guide when developing an official festival.
This will also help local event organizers and related enterprises because it will provide a solid base for marketing both the products and the businesses, which will boost demand for the latter. Finally, for the upcoming researchers, this study will serve as a roadmap for exposing more upcoming researchers to this subject. That's why we come up with a research title, In Search of the Barako, Festival Branding Challenges for the City of Lipa, Batangas.
Mabuhay! I am John R. Lawrence Beming.
I am Christine Marial Famadico.
I'm Alaysa Mentoy.
I am Andrew Magabo, and together with Casey Manoos and Sir VGC Dalisay, here's our post-research.
This study will identify the challenges in making the branding of Lipa City's official festival to assist in determining its branding.
That's right, Jonar. Specifically, the research seeks to provide answer to the following queries. 1. What challenges does the Lipa City Festival brand have in product identification? 2. What planning challenges does the brand of the Lipa City Festival encounter? 3. What are the challenges in implementing the Lipa City Festival's brand? And lastly, what challenges does the Lipa City Festival's branding faces in its execution?
As you can see here in Figure 2, process of determining the branding and image of Lipa City Festival. It depicts the study conceptual framework for the process of determining the branding challenges of Lipa City Festival. The IPO idea was chosen by the researchers as the study framework. 3 steps are represented by the IPO model: input, process, and output.
In the input variables include identifying the products of Lipa City to make an integral part of promoting the city festival and its local product, and challenges in determining the branding of Lipa City Festival. Understanding the city's advantage will make branding development easier. The variable incorporated in the process is focus group discussions, assessing participant replies to the questions and interpreting participant responses. Focus group discussions in which the study's questions are addressed and material that might be useful to the study are shared with the group.
The researchers will also use documentary analysis by compiling historical documentary data about the Lipa City Festival that may address a particular research question. Thematic analysis will also be used by the researchers as a method of study to identify, analyze, and interpret patterns in the collected data. The variable identified core goods of Lipa City are included in the output, as well as the effects of effective preparation on branding the event for both locals and visitors.
For our research design, the research will be conducted using a qualitative phenomenological study as a research design. It will be participated by 2 representatives from the Lipa City Tourism and Museum Council, 2 event organizing professional, 2 Maris class professor, include 2 local business owners, and 1 local historian.
As per data gathering procedure, the researchers will prepare a written invitation to the participant for a group discussion on how to approach the study goal. The researchers will fully explain the subject to the participant. After that, each participant will be fully informed of his or her obligation as the study subject to respond to questions and will participate in the discussions.
The researchers will examine the responses provided by the group discussion participants after compiling all the recorded data. The conclusions will serve as the foundation for developing a conceptual framework that will answer the series of questions. Thematic analysis will be the approach taken by the researchers in analyzing, identifying, and interpreting the patterns that have been gathered.
For ethical considerations, The researchers will make sure that the principles including voluntary participation, informed consent, anonymity, confidentiality, the potential for harm, and results from communication will be applied in this study by informing them with all transparency before the actual participation.
And that ends our research proposal presentation entitled In Search of the Barako Festival Branding Challenges for the City of Lipa, Batangas.
Thank you very much and
Mabuhay ang Fiestang Lipeño!